Well, hello guys. Today we're gonna be microwaving these burritos. These. Okay, so open this up. Well, I almost halfway now. Microwave them. Just gonna clear that. Clear. You see these? I already opened them with this shanky shank knife. See these? That's how you do it. So you go like that with them. And you see this other one? You go like that. And now you close it. See this? See this? 2 minutes. So you press this, go beep, and then it'll be like that. So you know how a microwave works, guys. You know how a knife works. While my dad's watching this movie over there, I'm gonna be taking out a plate. Okay. No, seriously, poor plate. Soon you'll go in the trash. You know, it's gonna put it right there. See guys, I got a plate and now we're gonna put away our plate. See. Now slam that pantry door. I don't know. So then we're gonna get a napkin. No, not a napkin. You guys are just gonna watch me dance here till it's almost. Oh! Now, with these beautiful burritos, we're gonna put them on plates. Oh, plate, yeah. Oh, that feels so. Ah! That burns. Why do my burritos feel soggy? My burritos feel so soggy. Sometimes I eat them so soggy. I don't know what's going on right now. I just halfway microwaved them in the first video. I'm gonna step on.
And you're leaving trash over there.
Okay. So that's how you microwave a burrito. Now, this video has been 4 minutes recorded. So, well, not 4 minutes. No, I don't know. I feel like it's 4 minutes. Now you're gonna watch me eat them. JK. Alright, bye guys. Peace out.